Let's also cover the Ripple Delete tool, which is incredibly useful for quickly removing gaps in your timeline. I've set my keyboard shortcut to E for easy access. And it's also intentional that I've set up keyboard shortcuts like Q, W, E, and 2 close to each other. These arrangements allows for seamless editing and easy reach with just your left hand. To perform a ripple delete, simply select the segment you want to delete, then press E on your keyboard. This action will remove the selected segment and automatically close any resulting gaps in your timeline, keeping your edit smooth and efficient. If you want to set up your keyboard shortcuts, follow these steps. Click on Premiere Pro in the top menu, then select Keyboard Shortcuts. A window will pop up where you can customize your shortcuts. Click on the search bar to find Add Edit or Ripple Delete. Click on Add Edit tool. Click on each to highlight them, then click on the empty space next to them to create a box. Now press the keys you want to assign as shortcuts. In this case, for Add Edit, I want to press number 2 on my keyboard. Then for Ripple Delete, choose it, highlight it, and then an E for Ripple Delete tool on your keyboard. Finally, click OK to save your changes. Now, whenever you press number 2 or E while editing, it will activate the respective tools, allowing for efficient editing with just your left hand. By mastering these tools and shortcuts, you can efficiently trim and cut your video clips, ensuring a smooth and seamless editing process. Remember that trimming and cutting is like sculpting clay to create the perfect sculpture, except our medium is video.